Hi, this is Paul with Ingram's Men's Shop here in Hagerstown, Maryland. And today I want to demonstrate how to tie a full Windsor knot. I always start with the thinner side on my left and the thicker side on my right. I'm using an extra long tie here. My neck is around a 17-inch. That's kind of borderline. With a Windsor knot, it seems to be a little easier. So if your neck is larger than a 17, then I would suggest doing an extra long tie. So you start with folding the wider side over and then tuck it underneath. And when you pull it through the same side so that you have this and made a triangle. Then you come underneath and back over again to do the same thing. So you have the same knot on both sides. It's important to keep these knots fairly tight underneath. You take this over and then up through. And then I take my finger and make a small hole to slide it down through. And there you have a full Windsor knot. Thanks for watching. The tip of the tie should be slightly above your belt, and you may have to tie it a couple times and adjust before you tie the knots. The length of the short side, skinny side, is what's going to determine the length at the end. Again, thank you for watching. If you're in the Hagerstown area, swing by and check out the store, Ingram's Men's Shop here on Garland Grove Boulevard.